Why are copyright infringement outcomes uncertain in court? Have you ever wondered why copyright infringement cases can lead to such unpredictable outcomes in court? It's a question that many people ask, especially those involved in creative works. Let's break down the reasons behind this uncertainty in a straightforward way. First, copyright law is not always clear-cut. It involves balancing the rights of creators with the concept of fair use. Fair use allows certain uses of copyrighted material without permission, but what qualifies as fair use can vary from case to case. This means that judges often have to interpret the law based on the specifics of each situation, which can lead to different outcomes for similar cases. Next, we have to consider how quickly technology changes. New forms of media and distribution methods pop up all the time, and courts struggle to apply existing copyright laws to these new contexts. For instance, how does copyright law apply to streaming services or social media? These questions can lead to conflicting rulings as courts try to adapt old principles to modern technology. Another factor is the cost of litigation. Copyright cases can be expensive and take a long time to resolve. Many individuals and small businesses may not have the resources to pursue a case in court. This means that fewer cases are brought to trial, which limits the development of clear legal precedents. When there are fewer precedents, it creates more uncertainty about how laws will be applied in future cases. Damage awards also contribute to unpredictability. Courts have discretion in deciding how much to award for copyright infringement, and there are no strict guidelines. This can result in vastly different financial penalties for similar infringements. For example, a court may classify one infringement as willful and impose a high penalty, while another case may receive a much lower award. Additionally, proving copyright infringement involves meeting several legal requirements. Defendants often have various defenses they can raise, which complicates the process. The burden of proof can shift during the trial, adding another layer of complexity that can lead to unexpected results. Finally, the statute of limitations can create uncertainty. It can be unclear when a copyright claim begins. Does it start when the infringement occurs or when it is discovered? This ambiguity can affect the damages awarded and whether claims are even valuable. In comparison to trademark and patent law, copyright law tends to be less structured. While all areas of intellectual property law face challenges, copyright law's ambiguity stands out. As technology continues to evolve, the legal system must find ways to adapt while balancing the rights of creators and the public interest. For those involved in copyright disputes, it is essential to carefully consider the risks and legal strategies. With so many variables at play, outcomes can be hard to predict. Some suggest creating specialized copyright courts or reforming damage awards to make the process more straightforward and outcomes more reliable.